Hey everyone, I am Nicholas and we are going to solve another LeetCode problem, a XOR operation in an array. In this problem, we are going to solve how to use the XOR operation and how to create a value of an array element. How to create the value of element of an array. In this, let's see the problem step. We are given an integer and an integer start. We have to define and already defined an array nums when nums I equal to start plus 2 into I. This is basically the formula to create the value of an element of array, and do n equal to nums dot length, where and then we have to return the bitwise XOR of all element of nums array. Let's understand it with an example. For example, in input we are given n equal to 5 and start equal to 0. So we have we will create the elements value of an array using this formula. So the value of an array will be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 because n equal to 5, the length of an array will be 5 and the start equal to 0. So the array will start with 0 and end on the fifth element. And now we will implement an XOR operation on the array's element. So 0 XOR 2 XOR it will give the output equal to 8. So the output will be 8. Now let's see the approach. The approach will be in the following ways. The step 1, we have to create a store variable to store the answer. Then we will go through we will run a loop to go through the array, and then we will generate the value of element of an array to then after that we will process the XOR operation and then return the XOR bitwise XOR of all element of nums array. So let's see the code line by line. First, we are creating this will store the answers. This is variable to store answer. Now we are running a loop through an array. I prefer you 0. Now we have to create an array with element value with 5. This line of code, this line will help us to create an array's element. Now we will implement XOR operation on answer. Finally, we will return the answer. The answer variable. Let's check the code. Yeah, the semicolon missing. So while writing the C++ code, always see have you given when we are changing the line, we are giving a semicolon. If we are not giving this, it will show the compiler error. So always check the semicolons or the code correctly. So let's check it again. So it passes all the test case, and the time complexity will be O(n), because the time complexity will be O(n) because the number of array will is n, so time complexity is O(n). Thank you for watching this. Thank you for watching this.